The idea of a reciprocal is important to us because it can help us solve equations. So the reciprocal of 2/3 would be 3 over 2. It's like the flip of the fraction. It's really it's a thing that you can multiply to something to make it equal 1. So if you had the fraction, like if you had the number -3, its reciprocal is going to be -1 over 3. Okay, because that 3, you can think of it as a fraction. -3 over 1. That's the fraction. And then when you flip that fraction, put the 3 on bottom, the 1 up top. It makes -1 over 3. And notice that you could have the negative sign down bottom. It's still the same fraction. The tradition is, though, if you have a negative sign, you just keep it in the top. Okay, because -1 divided by 3 is the same thing as 1 divided by -3, right? So reciprocals can help us solve equations with fractions in them, like this one here. I want to get x by itself, so I can get rid of the 2/3 by multiplying by the reciprocal. Okay, because that makes everything cancel out. Like if you were to multiply, these two fractions, you get 6 over 6, which just makes 1x like we want, right? And so over here on the right side, we got 4 over 1 times 3 over 2. You can multiply straight across the top. That gives you 12 over 2. But that can be simplified to be just the number 6.